Okay, this country is very interesting one. Senegal, Senegal, 1 million Sudanese pound. Ngaba millionaire, the first time I'm a millionaire. Senegal is stuck of this money. What I get, think no, you guys do value at all. But I chicken, they get that chowta then. I didn't get chowta now. They get chowta terramal. Terramal, yeah, terramal for 1 million. But still, it's a good value for us. Get a better. You're a Khalibat Ramale, Neabala, Mala Rama. Now, what a war. You may attain a Shabika Badly, no idea which I to see. Imagine that this 1 million take care of for $300. See.